Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the out-of-range monitor issue in Windows 11. Whether your screen suddenly goes black, shows an error message, or you can't see the desktop after changing display settings, don't worry. This simple step-by-step guide will help you get your display back to normal quickly and safely. First, if you can still see the desktop or you're using another display, right-click the Start button and open Settings. From here, go to System, then click on Display. Once you're on this page, look for Display Resolution under Scale and Layout, and select the option marked Recommended. This is the safest choice for your monitor, so make sure it's selected. Next, scroll down and open Advanced Display. Here, check the refresh rate setting. If it's set too high, change it to 60 Hz. High refresh rates are a common reason for the out-of-range error, so lowering it usually fixes the problem instantly. If you can't see anything at all, restart your PC into safe mode by holding Shift and clicking Restart. Go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and enable Safe Mode. Once inside, repeat the same display steps to set the correct resolution and refresh rate. After that, restart normally, and your screen should work perfectly again. It's also a good idea to update your graphics driver later to avoid this issue in the future. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully fixed the out-of-range monitor problem in Windows 11 with ease. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If this helped you, share it with someone who might be stuck with the same issue. Why not save them some stress today?